Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I worked 10 years at IRS, so yes, I was the IRS. One of the reasons you need to listen to me, I was an agent, so I'm speaking to you as a former agent, being an agent, and being in tax defense for 41 years. So I combine the best of both worlds, and that's why a lot of people use me in their representation matters. Just go to my website if you want to learn about me. I've been all the national news stations, Fox a couple times, ABC, NBC, CBS, Newsnation, Newsmax. I've been on, anyway, just go 777irs.com and learn about me. Anyway, I want to talk to you today about the offer and compromise. I was one of those people that accepted offers and denied offers. So yes, I was also a teaching instructor. I used to teach revenue officers how to work the offer and compromise program. So I'm actually one of the nation's leading experts in the offer. So what happens if you get denied an offer and compromise? What goes ahead and happens really from that point going forward? Well, you need to look at why your offer got rejected. Most people send offers, and to be honest, they don't have a clue. I've seen them at IRS. I get them back. People have rejected offers. They want me to get them through. I says, what the hell did you file this for? If company's done this and they've been rejected by that company, usually you should just sue them because they don't know what the hell they're doing. Not all of them, but 99%. The offer is a very specific beast that has to be filled out the right way, and you've got to meet the criteria. If you want to know what criteria you didn't meet, look at your rejection letter. They'll probably be talking about your national standards, what you didn't meet, or maybe your asset value. Those are one of the two things they're going to hit. Your asset values were wrong. Your real estate on LexisNexis, on Realtor.com or Zillow was wrong. I guarantee you your IRS national standards were off. That really kills it. If your offer and compromise is rejected, you could file an appeal within 30 days if you can. You can file another offer and compromise. You can file 365 offers if you want a year. But you got to remember, you're extending the statute. Every time you do, they take the money. You've got to make sure you have the offer. So if your offer is rejected, go to appeals. If it's past the appeal point, you're going to have to go ahead and file a new offer and compromise. But you have to understand why IRS rejected the offer. If you did it, you're going to learn where your mistakes is. Like I said, if a company did it, they should be kicked in the ass because they didn't know what they're doing. And most companies don't. If you want your offer and compromise to go through, I can look at your financial statement. Really, honest engine, swear to God, within 15 seconds, look at your financial statement. I'll be able to tell you whether your offer is going to get accepted. All I need is a truthful offer. Anyway, once again, you can always appeal it. Wish you luck. If not, correct the mistakes that IRS said you made on your first offer and resend it in. But remember, you're extending the statute of limitations. That's why you use professionals to get it accepted. If you don't owe a lot of money, do it yourself. Don't pay someone if you owe under 10 or 20,000. It's not going to go well. Usually we get larger cases. Give me a subscription. Make sure all your returns are filed and your estimate payments or withholdings up to date, or they'll reject the offer. Thank you very much. I appreciate the subscription.